What fantastic numbers. What are the most exciting things out there?
So, Haslanda, Adani Enterprises is a flagship company of Adani Group, which would mean they have a lot of matured companies as well. And you recall that a lot of companies, including Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy, barring Adani Ports, as he said, all companies have reported bumper results. And Adani Ports is yet to report its earnings. It will be on 8th August. So naturally, the matured companies' results will propel or boost or bolster the flagships companies. That's point number one. And point number two is this profit is jumped largely because of the margin held by incubating companies. When I say incubating companies, energy business, road business, airport business have immensely helped this flagship company to register 44% growth in the profit. And another point is, like, though revenue has declined largely because of the coal prices was impacted the revenues, and also the cost has declined by 39 odd percentage. But we spoke to representatives of company. They were saying that the margin of the integrated resources management, which deals with coal trading, it is a volume business. And they say that margins are solid in that side also. So essentially, all incubating companies' margins helped Adani Enterprises to post this bumper profit, and also the cost decline also helped Adani flagship company to post this kind of a profit.
Sanjay, I mean, there are concerns. I mean, we look at what's going on with actually revenue dropping here. Coal prices are also falling here, which helps a lot with the margin. But if that changes, that's just many of the headwinds that the companies could face.
No, that's not a great concern per se, because when it comes to coal trading, it's not about volume, it's not about total sales, it's about margin. And the management is saying that margin is intact. So in that term, it may not be a concern, but to adding more line of business, more incubating companies will be tough because of the post-Hindenburg implication. Things are now stabilizing, and they have gone to the market to raise funds, and they are also tying up loans, etc., which is restoring kind of confidence among investors. So one will have to watch what are the new line of business they would be adding, and how matured are these incubating companies. When will we see? They have all flagged that they will be listing at least 5 companies in 5 to 7 years. So investors will be waiting and watching which are these companies first go to off from the block of this so-called incubating company of Adani Enterprises, and investors will be watching for the commentary of that kind.